One of the greatest traits that humanity possesses is our sense of wonder. While all of us are dreamers in our own regard, every once in a while, a select few rise to conquer the mightiest challenges facing our species. And what challenge can be bigger than the one aiming to shape our cosmic future? Be it entrepreneurs innovating to make humans multiplanetary, astronauts who venture into the great unknown to further our understanding of the universe, or scientists laying the groundwork to ensure our survival. Let's talk about some of the men who are paving the way for the future of space exploration. Let's start with Chris Hadfield. When it comes to prominent figures in the field of space exploration, few individuals have done more to bring the mysteries of the cosmos closer to millions of people on Earth than Chris Hadfield. Often likened to the legendary astronaut Neil Armstrong in terms of fame, Hadfield has played a pivotal role in igniting the curiosity and passion for space in both children and adults. Hadfield boasts an impressive career as an astronaut, having participated in numerous triumphant space missions. Nevertheless, what truly catapulted him into the realm of worldwide recognition and garnered him a substantial following was his ingenious use of social media. It was his captivating musical performances conducted aboard the International Space Station that captured the hearts of millions, amassing countless views and forging a deeper connection between humanity and the great beyond. In 1995, Chris Hadfield achieved the historic distinction of becoming the first Canadian to venture into the realm of spacewalking, marking a significant milestone in his astronautic career. Additionally, he became the inaugural astronaut to operate the Canadarm during his missions. Over the course of his remarkable journey, Hadfield participated in a total of 3 space missions, actively contributing to the construction of 2 space stations and conducting 2 spacewalks. He also played pivotal roles as a crew member in both the Shuttle and Soyuz missions. In a crowning achievement, in 2013, Hadfield ascended to the position of commander aboard the International Space Station, where he spent an extraordinary 6 months residing off the planet's surface. Beyond his spacefaring feats, Chris Hadfield has left an indelible mark in the realm of aerospace. His illustrious career includes serving as NASA's Director of Operations. This distinguished astronaut, engineer, and pilot has earned a plethora of accolades, including the prestigious Order of Canada, the Meritorious Service Cross, and the NASA Exceptional Service Medal, affirming his outstanding contributions to space exploration and engineering. Up next is Scott Kelly. The overarching objective of space exploration has always been to eventually journey to the distant stars and probe the outermost boundaries of our universe. Yet the profound impact of such voyages on the human body remains largely shrouded in mystery. Fortunately, some of the limited knowledge scientists possess in this realm can be attributed to the efforts of Scott Kelly. To the general populace, Scott Kelly may not be a household name among astronaut celebrities, but within the community of space enthusiasts, he stands as one of NASA's most illustrious figures. With an impressive record of approximately 520 days spent in space, Kelly ranks among the top American astronauts in terms of cumulative time off Earth. Moreover, he has devoted nearly 18 hours to spacewalks, demonstrating his significant contributions to the exploration of the cosmos. Scott Kelly's one-year mission on the International Space Station, ISS, was primarily driven by a fundamental scientific objective: to gain deeper insights into how the human body responds and adapts during extended sojourns in the space environment. Typically, ISS missions last for a relatively shorter duration, spanning about 5 to 6 months. In a daring endeavor that involved personal sacrifice for the sake of scientific advancement, Kelly undertook an extraordinary mission that lasted a remarkable 340 consecutive days aboard the ISS. Throughout this extended stay, he diligently monitored and documented the changes occurring within his own body as a result of prolonged exposure to space conditions. To enhance the scientific rigor of this endeavor, Kelly's physiological alterations were rigorously compared to those of his twin brother, who remained on Earth. Following his return to Earth in 2016, the comprehensive investigation, known as the Twins Study, continued for an additional 3 years before the publication of its initial summary paper in 2019. Surprisingly, the researchers observed a remarkable similarity in gene expression between the twins, despite the significant duration of Scott's stay in space. These findings challenged expectations and raised intriguing questions about the human body's adaptability to extended space missions. Among the notable changes detected in Scott's genes were alterations associated with factors such as immune response and bone activity, which are indicative of the effects of prolonged space exposure. Remarkably, most of these genetic changes reverted to their normal state within a span of 6 months, following the conclusion of the spaceflight. Despite the majority of Scott's physiological changes reverting to their pre-flight state after 3 years on Earth, there are certain lingering effects that have proven more resistant to normalization. These enduring changes include DNA damage resulting from radiation exposure, as well as persistent long-term shifts in bodily fluids that have had a lasting impact on his vision. Moving on to Dr. David Charbonneau. Even if our species successfully embark on interstellar journeys to new worlds, there remains uncertainty regarding the suitability of those planets for sustaining life. This is where the work of Dr. David Charbonneau, a distinguished Harvard University astronomer, comes into focus. His groundbreaking research holds the potential to unveil a profound revelation, the first direct evidence of life beyond Earth, reaffirming that our home planet is just one among numerous inhabited worlds. Presently, astronomers have identified approximately 200 exoplanets orbiting nearby stars, and this tally continues to expand with each passing year. In his role as a cosmic investigator, Charbonneau has embarked on a systematic exploration of these enigmatic planets, diligently peeling back the layers of their mysteries to unravel their secrets. In 1999, Dr. David Charbonneau led a pioneering team that achieved a groundbreaking milestone in astronomy. They made the very first observation of a transiting exoplanet, a celestial body that passes directly between its parent star and Earth. This remarkable feat enabled Charbonneau to study these exoplanets by analyzing how they obstructed a portion of their star's light, a process that provides crucial insights into the composition of the planet's atmosphere, including the presence of various gases. Now, Charbonneau is setting his sights on a new frontier in his scientific pursuits. Rather than focusing on the exotic and unusual exoplanets he has previously investigated, he's in pursuit of something more familiar, a rocky planet of modest size, featuring an atmosphere bearing the chemical signatures of life. This search aims to identify planets that exhibit characteristics akin to our own Earth, including the presence of life-supporting elements like oxygen, much like the vital gas produced by plants on our home planet. Next is Dr. Thomas Zurbuchen. The undeniable connection between NASA's success and humanity's future in space exploration highlights the immense significance of Dr. Thomas Zurbuchen's remarkable contributions as NASA's longest-serving head of science. His legacy promises to be invaluable for generations to come. Throughout his tenure, Zurbuchen played a pivotal role in advancing every facet of leadership within space science. Under his guidance, NASA successfully launched an impressive total of 37 missions while initiating another 54. Among his notable achievements, he steered the international collaboration that led to the launch of the James Webb Telescope, orchestrated 2 successful Mars landings, featuring the Perseverance rover, and the historic inaugural flight of the INGENUITY helicopter away from Earth. Additionally, he played a key role in the development of the Parker Solar Probe, a groundbreaking mission designed to make close encounters with the Sun. Furthermore, Dr. Zurbuchen's visionary leadership extended to groundbreaking initiatives such as the Earth System Observatory, a cutting-edge multi-platform observatory designed to provide a comprehensive 3D perspective of Earth, spanning from its bedrock to the outer atmosphere. He also oversaw a significant milestone in human space exploration, the successful manipulation of a celestial object through spacecraft impact, marking a historic achievement. Throughout his illustrious career, Dr. Zurbuchen demonstrated his technical prowess by creating several space instruments. Notable examples include the development of the mass sensor for NASA's WIND spacecraft, launched in 1992, and his leadership role in the creation of the fast-imaging plasma spectrometer for NASA's MESSENGER mission, which became the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury. The enduring impact of the programs he initiated will continue to shape humanity's quest for cosmic knowledge for many decades to come. And finally, Elon Musk. In the realm of space exploration, this guy is a figure who requires no formal introduction. It can be argued that Musk has, to a remarkable extent, steered the course of the future in this field. If humanity indeed accomplishes the audacious goal of becoming a multiplanetary species, history will undoubtedly attribute a pivotal role to him. Musk has consistently emphasized the imperative of transforming humanity into an interplanetary species. His rationale is rooted in the need to address existential threats, including the possibility of catastrophic events like asteroid impacts, nuclear conflicts, and the emergence of engineered viruses. In his view, establishing a presence on other celestial bodies is a strategic step towards safeguarding our species from such potential disasters. Elon Musk identifies a major impediment to achieving interplanetary colonization as the daunting challenge of developing large, reusable, and highly reliable rockets. In pursuit of this mission, he founded SpaceX with a clear objective: to dramatically reduce the cost of human spaceflight, aiming for a cost reduction factor of 100. SpaceX's initial foray into rocketry with the Falcon 1 was met with challenges, requiring 4 attempts before achieving a successful test flight in September 2008. Musk initially funded SpaceX using his own resources, gradually amassing the experience and expertise needed to attract substantial financial support, including millions of dollars from NASA. This backing enabled the development of SpaceX's rockets and spacecraft and facilitated cargo transportation to the International Space Station, ISS. In a significant milestone, SpaceX accomplished the successful launch of the Falcon Heavy in March 2018. This impressive achievement established the Falcon Heavy as the largest reusable orbital launch vehicle in existence, marking a pivotal moment in rocketry. Presently, one of the most crucial projects undertaken by Musk and SpaceX is the Starship. Designed as a deep space transport vehicle, the Starship holds the promise of carrying humans to Mars in the near future. Although Elon Musk's ambitions in the realm of space exploration may leave room for uncertainty regarding humanity's future on Mars, one undeniable fact is that he has played a singular role in rekindling widespread interest in the exploration of outer space. Regardless of the ultimate destination, whether it's the Red Planet or beyond, Musk's visionary endeavors have sparked a renewed passion for cosmic exploration that will undoubtedly yield benefits for generations to come. We aim to honor the men and women that have given a massive contribution to shape our cosmic future. Is there anyone who you'd like us to cover in the next video? Leave a comment below.